So instead of me going through how to do each one of these problems, because some of us just don't need it, but some of us do, this is just going to be your Zoom on Friday. Okay, and if it's not Friday, I might change my mind. It might be Thursday, but it's going to be, so maybe we'll make it Thursday. Yeah, let's make it Thursday or Friday, okay? And we're going to go through each of these problems and make sure we're good to go. Your homework is going to be to do this, but we're going to do it the Zoom. So as long as you attend the Zoom or watch the video, then you're good to go. And then this is the other page of homework. So you're going to have 2 pages of homework, but technically it's really only 1 because that's what the Zooms are going to be. All right, let's go through to make sure we're good to go. This is all review from before, by the way. This is you just checking it out. This is you showing a little bit of work. This is you just writing down the answer based on the parameters. This is you just filling in the given information. This is you showing in a little bit of work and checking for extraneous solutions. All review. Okay? I think you might have a hard time with this one, so I want to review. When you see this problem, my little hint to you is I would divide by 2. You're going to get an answer, and then your goal is to get rid of this. So you would multiply or take it to the 2/3 power and go from there. And some of you go, what do you mean? Okay. Well, if I had 125 equals, I don't know, x to the 2/3, and I was trying to, let's make it 3/2. Then what I would do is I would change this to 5 cubes, 5 cubed, and then I would multiply to the 2/3 power. And what happens? That's gone, that's gone. You'd just be left with x. 3 on top, 3 on bottom, bye-bye. You're left with 5 squared, and 5 squared is 25. We did that a while back. It's a review, but I bet we needed that review. Okay? This one is a little bit different because then afterwards you're going to add 14. Okay. This one, simplifying the radicals, I will review that one really quickly because maybe you need it. If I had the cube root, let's say, of 16x to the 4th, y to the 9th. So this means you're finding piles of 3. Some of you just can see it, but this is 2, 2, 2, 2. So I'm going to do piles of 3 like this. X, 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 X. Y, 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 Y. So then you circle your piles. Okay. Some of you might have birthday caked this, same thing. So then it's 2x, y cubed, cube root of 2x. Some of you might see this as 2 cubed, 2 to the 1st. See this as x cubed, x to the 1st. See this as y to the 9th. How many piles of 3 are there? 3. How many piles of 3 are there? 1. How many piles of 3 are there? 1. How many is left over? Done. How many is left over? Done. That's what I want for those. This is when you change it to exponential form. So this would be 10 to the, and then distribute with your fractions. So let me do the fraction one again because I know we have a hard time with fractions. Let's say I have 64x to the, let's say to the 12th, to the 5/6. Okay? So when I see the 6 on the bottom, my goal is to make it so I can cross it off. So 64 is 2 to the 6th, x to the 12th. If I distribute that, that's gone, that's gone. 2 to the 5th, 32. And then I distribute again. 12 goes into 6 2 times, and 2 times 5 is 10. I know I went a little bit fast. Just ask me questions if you have them, but it's all review. Okay. This one, I know that it looks difficult, but you can combine these two. This is on top. This is on bottom. Simplify from there. Remember your rules of logs. We've done logs a lot. When it's subtraction, it means divide. Okay? If this is 1/2, you want to make this 1/2. And that's it.